Manipur Merger Agreement Mapung PHANA implement Tounaba RAJYA SABHA member NINGTHOU Sanajaoba Leishemba Parliament Taksinkhre 0 hour the wafam asi phongdok laduna makna makhatana hai Manipur asi apikpa state ama oizarabasu matam amada chahi lising mga henbagi puwari amada civilization lezarakpa maning makhatamna palamba lebak ama oirami the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949 haiba agreement amagi makhada kumja lising masamapan nipumapan dagi Manipur India ki saruk ama oirakhi adumakpo haukiba chahi kayagi mamangdagi palamliba laingak Singna agreement asi karigumbada ikai khumnaba natraga khangbiba leitrei masina Manipur gi miyamgi pukning wakhalda chauna saitheng piri maru oina agreement asigi article number 8 ta yauri ba aroi pa pera asida Manipuri singi socio economic cultural amadi political status hen wang bathakta Pukhatpaga mari lainana yamna mayek sengna yauri haiki article asigi aroi ba pera da India laingakna Manipuri singbu tongan ba public service singda thabak pinaba Chanaba Taurang Singh, Lokatkani Amadi Atay Hiram Kia the Su, Yahunaba Pukning Taugatkani, Loinana Tongan Mamakal laws in custom Amadi Manipur Miam social economic Amasung Lining Lon Singh, Ngak Senduna Tamgani Haina Pale, Adobo, Nasip Hoba agreement as the Yauri Bawarol Singh Asika Marilena Ba, Matik Saba Taurang Netraga, Ngak Lo Pidonistat Asibu, Ngak Senaba Matik Saba Taurang, Amapauba, Lokat Paletri, Madamasna, Manipur socio economic cultural Amadi political status Henna. Pagana ba matik jaba Taurang amadi mathau taba khongthang sing lokhat piu loinena Manipur Merger Agreement chapchana implement Tounaba hotnabi haina su MP Sanajaoba Leishemba union lenga ki pukning singsinkhe.
Sir, although Manipur is a tiny state, but it was once a sovereign nation having a long history and civilization of more than 5,000 years. But Manipur became a part of India in 1949 under an agreement called the Manipur Merger Agreement 1949. However, for the last many decades, the previous government never tried to honor or address this agreement, and it really hurts the sentiments and pride of the Manipuris, particularly the last para of Article 8 of this agreement is very relevant for the Manipuris to uplift their socio-economic, cultural and political status. It read as, I quote, the government of India shall also undertake to make suitable provisions for the employment of Manipuris in the various branches of public services and in every way encourage the Manipuris to join them. It also undertakes to preserve various laws, customs and conventions prevailing in the states of Manipur pertaining to the social, economic and religious life of the people, unquote. But till today, no suitable provisions or safeguards are made or set in this regard. So I urge upon the Union government to make suitable provisions or take up necessary steps to uplift the socio-economic, cultural and political status of Manipuris in the days to come. Thank you, sir.